it should come actually. Why
It
it
should
should,
come. Okay.
beside that one, these buttons are there, na, four buttons.
Uh-huh. Here.
Click the first button. Yeah, no, no, first button. Yeah,
This.
click the first button. Okay. Click again. Okay. Now go to instrumentation. Okay. So there are four instruments are there.
Mm-hmm.
Next, go to piping.
Pipe
Pipe
run
run.
or
Yeah.
pipe run. Yeah.
Pipe run. Pipe run. Yeah.
So I have to.
Yes.
So this will automatically pop up like this engineering data editor. This wish to save the changes you made like that automatically when you
Yes.
change. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Whenever it change, it will ask. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
See, in your drawing, there are four pipe runs
Mm-hmm. 6
and
inch, 1
next
inch,
piping
4 inch.
components.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can able to
So,
see each and everything. Yeah.
okay. So the engineering data editor means in this particular drawing, whatever items are there. So
Yeah.
we can summarize from this engineering data editor. Like you just click
Correct.
and it will give you these are the things, whatever it is.
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
Next piping
Sorry,
component.
piping component. Okay. Got it.
So in this drawing, there are 11 components are there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 11 out
Yeah.
of 11. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
So like this, you can browse anything. Suppose if you
Mm.
browse something and if it is available, it will retrieve. If it is not available, it won't retrieve.
It won't
It won't retrieve the details.
retrieve
Now
the
select it.
details. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Now
what
you
is
are
the
choose.
exact purpose of this engineering editor? Just to know what
Yeah.
is the summary of items or?
Yes. Uh, Normally, after drafting the PND, so
Mm.
by using AutoCAD, we can able to draft the PND as it
Mm.
is. So after
Okay.
drafting, uh, whether all the properties are given properly or not,
Mm-hmm.
we have to check. We can able to check those properties in the EDE.
Okay.
So by using EDE, we can able to easily identify the mistakes of the drawing. I mean, for pipe runs, we have to give the flow directions here,
Okay.
whether it is
We have
upstream or downstream, whatever it
uh-huh.
is.
Oh, we have to give the
Uh,
directions in the engineering editor.
yes,
Okay.
we can give in the engineering data as well as in the properties window. Actually, in the properties window, if you give properties, can you please click on any symbol, pipe run,
Which?
equipment, or whatever?
Okay.
Yes. See, now you have selected pipe run. Can you
Mm-hmm.
please enlarge the pipe run? I mean, the properties window.
The properties window enlarge. Okay.
No, instead of that one,
Hmm.
enlarge this side because catalog explorer is important, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Normally, most of the organizations will provide two monitors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Normally, yeah, it is there because the thing is that like this is a uh, something which they came up because they have to. It's a very minimal time and a project is starting, so you have to like
Hmm.
something which you have to keep your job also. There are so many things running behind it. Like
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah. Actually, can you please extend a little bit more? Expand it
expand
a
it
little bit more.
more
Yeah.
and yeah,
Enough. Yes.
this is enough.
Because one, yes, a little
Okay.
even decrease. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I want these properties more.
Oh, okay.
Decrease the Catalog Explorer. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
good.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, why I'm asking like this,
Uh-huh.
while you're learning, if you
Mm.
learn properly, then you won't forget.
Okay.
That's
I
why
got it, sir.
yeah,
Got it.
I'm telling.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
So you're choosing this pipe run.
Mm-hmm.
So which component you're choosing, that component category will show on the top. In the properties, you can see the pipe run, right?
Yes, I can see.
Now select any other component rather than piping. See, that is a label. It is kind
Mm.
of label model item. Now select another
Okay.
one. No, this is same category. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry.
See,
Control.
now see. This is instrument category.
Instrument category. Okay.
Select another one. This one also
This
same
is also
instrument category.
instrument category. Next is what?
Now same. This is also instrument
Well,
category only.
piping
Select.
component.
Yes, piping component. Select signal run. This electric line. See, signal run.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
So like this, if you select any component in this drawing,
Mm.
it will show that category and the properties window.
Okay.
So how many properties are there? See, if you are able to see for signal run,
Mm.
these kind of properties are there. Na? All these kind of properties we can able to see in the engineering data editor.
Engineering data editor. Okay.
Yeah. For example, if you have line number, so for line you have drawn the line.
Mm-hmm.
The line having some sequence number, PMC, fluid code, and
Yeah.
something
Okay.
like that.
Mm-hmm.
So by using engineering data editor, we can see up to I mean, can you please fit view the drawing? So first deselect component and fit view.
Okay. Okay.
Deselect it. Yeah. Now fit view. Yeah. So normally, based on the drawing density, we will choose template. So mostly every drawing will be fit in the template board, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if you want uh, check particular sequence number, how many lines are there for that particular sequence number, and suppose fluid code, uh, but that particular fluid, how many lines is passing, and particular normal diameter, how many lines are there. So if you
Okay.
want search, those kind of things are available in the EDE.
ED, engineering
And
data editor.
yes, engineering data editor. In
Okay.
engineering data editor, beside the piping component, one black flag is there. I mean, the drop and down
Yeah, this one.
EDE. Yes, yes, that one.
Yeah.
Click that one. See, on the auto filter is there. Na? Just click on
Uh-huh.
the auto filter. Yes. Now you can able to filter. If you filter
Okay.
normal diameter, select the normal diameter and filter it. Yes. 1 inch, 3 by 4, 6 inch. If you want
Yeah.
to see how many 1 inch components are there, just click 1 inch. It is filtering 1 inch only.
Mm-hmm.
So there are four components are there with 1 inch.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Out of 11,
Got it.
4. See,
Out of
items
11,
found,
4. Yeah.
4 out of 11. Like that it will
O-
show. So
Okay. Okay.
this EDE using purpose is for quality purpose.
For quality
And
purpose. Okay.
we can able to see I mean whatever we want, we can able to search in this engineer data editor
Engineering data editor. Okay.
and
If I
remove
may,
this null diameter. Yeah,
I have one question. So,
yeah, okay.
as a normal PND user, I mean, like
Yeah,
those guys are creating a PND, right? So
yes,
they will be given instructions like they are going to draft
yeah,
a system or a whatever processing system or a small thermal unit and some connections, something like that. So
yeah.
when they are doing that,
Mhm.
do they have to really look into the engineering data editor?
Not
Is
required.
not required, right? Like
Actually, while drafting the PNAD, engineering data editor is not required.
not required.
But
Okay, that was my question. Okay.
after completion of the drawing,
Uh-huh.
for checking each and every component purpose, we have to go to EDE.
Okay, okay. But will that be
Yeah.
performed by a drafter? I mean, like a person who is using a SmartPlant P ID or someone who is in the higher up, like an engineer or like
No,
a design
that
manager?
those who are drafting the PND, that
Uh,
person can able to see. I mean, that person should work on the ED also.
okay,
There
okay,
is no
okay,
higher category for that. Yeah.
okay. Why is that? Why is that? Like he should work on that. Why is that? Like,
See, actually, the user who is drafting the PND, he should
hmm.
deliver the PND with 100% quality.
Okay,
Yeah. So that is aim. Yeah.
okay, okay. Understood, understood. Okay, okay. Got
Yeah,
it.
actually, to achieve the quality of the PND deliverables,
Mm-hmm.
the user should work on this EDE and he should check all the properties. Actually, you are new to this one, that's why you are don't know anything. So,
Yeah, I
uh,
understand.
if
Okay.
you yeah yeah, if you see pipe run,
Uh-huh.
for pipe run, a flow direction is must and should. It is
Yeah,
mandatory.
yeah.
Whether it is downstream, upstream,
Upstream. Yeah,
bidirectional, or no
yeah,
flow.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so the flight direction is mandatory,
Mm-hmm.
and in this drawing, each pipeline is. I mean, suppose, for example, you have given one AutoCAD file to draft a PND.
Okay.
In the AutoCAD file, there are 100 pipelines are there,
Mm-hmm.
and each and pipeline having the properties,
Okay.
and there are 10 equipments are there. Each equipment is having properties, and there are
Okay.
50 instruments and
Mm-hmm.
50 components. Each and everything is having some property. It means each and every component, whether it is equipment, instrument, pipe run, piping component, nozzle, everything is available some properties.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So if I give the PID to draftman, what he
Mm-hmm.
will do simply, he will give the how drafting is there in the AutoCAD. Same kind of drafting he will draft in this sort of PNID.
Okay.
But when you come into properties picture,
Mm-hmm.
so normally while drafting the PNID, the user won't focus on the properties.